Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a Reflection 337 RLS. This is a full profile fifth wheel. Little update from Reflection this year in that they've increased the height of the interior space towards the front of the unit, as you can see by the higher cap. Take a look at some of the features on the outside. The 337 gives you that bedroom side, which we like, but on the outside you see here little things they have for convenience. So they've got little blue lights here, so if you're working on this side of the unit during the evening, you have that little bit of extra light. You've also got the motion sensor lights here in the large pass-through storage, and you can see really just a huge area here to keep everything stored away while you're camping. If you want to have some totes in here, that sort of thing, throw all your units in here. Anything that's 32, you get a nice, easy to clean diamond coat floor, and you've got your full convenience station here as well. Stepping back, you can see this unit also has on-demand hot water, which is a great feature to have because you can run those longer showers. One of the changes this year too, small feature, slim track slides versus the Schwintek slides and the smaller slide outs on the Reflections. So as we head inside to take a look at this beautiful camper, this is a couples camper, but the size of it gives you lots of options. Got a big awning on this unit as well as another awning here on the slide out. Stepping up into the unit, beautiful couples layout here at the back. You got the rear living set up with the couch. Nice big island kitchen that is rim lit around the edge as well. High-rise faucet. You've got the roller on top of it to keep a drying rack or an extra space to put stuff. That does cover the stainless steel sink, as you can see inside. Taking a look here, always my favorite part of any camper is that spot to set up a secondary space for prep, for a blender, for a Keurig, a coffee machine, that sort of thing. All kinds of storage in here as well in this little coffee bar area. Side-by-side fridge, 3-burner open style propane cooking system here. You've got a big range underneath as well. Storage, microwave above, and some storage to the side, and of course all kinds of storage on the island side. Combo here for the seating area. On one side you've got the bench seating that actually is a storage ottoman as well, so you can pull that out and set it up over here and use it as a footstool, or you can keep it right here and use it as a bench. What a lot of people I see do is they'll take the ottoman, they'll put it back over there towards the couch, and then they'll just put one chair on either side depending on how many people you have camping with you. Side-by-side entertainment chairs. Those will heat up, vibrate, and light up, as well as, of course, kick out. Here you can see the smoke glass finish to the ceiling fixtures, which is a nice touch as well. Storage above here. And below that storage, you have a pull-out couch, which pulls out to a full double bed. So as I mentioned, if you do have company coming along, you do have the ability to bring extra people with you. In the entertainment center, you've got a 32-inch TV, storage above. Below, you have a nice 31-inch electric fireplace, which is going to make it nice and cozy for you in those cold mornings and cold evenings if you just want to get a little blast of heat on. Here you've got a nice pantry space as well, so if you want to have some long-term storage for your dry goods when you're going away, you can have that set up as well. This unit is certainly designed for long-term camping, both with a washer-dryer hookup available in the front, all kinds of space inside, and of course all kinds of storage in the front compartment, as we already noted. Stepping up to take a look at the bedroom area. In the 337, you do get the bed on a slide, which gives you that extra bit of space here. You also have great storage here with a 6-drawer dresser, storage above. In the front compartment here, you have great almost walk-in storage, but a spot there to set some sweaters, shoes, that sort of thing, and storage above. And of course, this nice big closet space here, which is where you do have the plumbing set up for your washer dryer, as well as a spot to punch a vent hole through if you do decide to install one. So that, folks, is a quick look at the 337 RLS. The 2024 edition does come with some great features we'd love to tell you about. Built-in onboard Wi-Fi options, that sort of thing. Built-in solar, all kinds of great extras. But we don't have time to put all that in the video because we want you to come in and ask us some questions. You have seen today a quick look at the 2024 Reflection 337 RLS here in the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis. We also have units like this up at our lot in Leisure Time Sales in Moncton. Come on and see us, folks.